Hello my friend, welcome to my new video tutorial with you Alarm from Alarm Bell. So today with another video tutorial I will show you how to fix this short problem in your torrent. All that after this short break. First of all, before we start my friend, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, help me reach my first 1000 subscribers. The problem of today is when I have here to start this file to download, I get this error file, the name of the file missing from job, please recheck. Okay, so I will show you how to do this. It's not that just the solution, but I will show you this. So you right click here in this file and go to advanced. After that, click set download location. Before you click this, check your name of your file. Like you see here, I am here freecoursonline.us alarm fashion. So just again, we do it again. Right click, down advanced, set download location. And now search for this file. We see it now is this file, the first one. And after that, just select the folder here and go down to again select this first. Okay. Now the second thing you will do is just right click again and now force recheck. Just wait a few seconds. After that, you will see it work without problem. If it doesn't work, don't worry, just click here, remove. So after that, just go to your torrent file, double click, and you'll get to download again without problem. Okay, if this one doesn't work, do the second. Okay, and now you see you can download without any problem. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe, help me reach my first 1000 subscribers. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.